Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Pretty Melissa, one of Italy. Yes, now I'm going to take my lunch because sometimes people say, after how many kids you're still like this. If you want to know my secrets, just follow me up and know how I eat my food normally. Today I'm going to eat rice with plantain, fried plantain, and I did it with ebeware. You all know this is Nigeria ebeware fish. I don't normally mix meat with fish. If I want to eat only fish, I will eat only fish. If I want to eat only meat, I will eat only meat. That's how I eat. I normally eat my food. So now I'm eating rice and stew based on ebeware dried fish. So join me as I eat. In Italian language, buon appetito, grazie altrettanto. Because if I want to do like Nigeria style, this is style I have stopped maybe for years. So I normally eat all fish alone or meat alone. Now, by doing this, why did I do this? I want to make I get the real taste of the food. Because, sorry, not people English. If you mix meat and fish together, I don't understand the taste you will get. You will get fish, you will get taste. Of which, if you just try am, do only rice and stew just as I do, and so put only fish. If you want to use the ebeware, other type of fish there or hen you use, then you go know what you dey eat. You go dey get the taste. You know if you dey mix fish and rice together, fish and meat together, come put pomo, come put this one. No, I dey like to do my thing. Or fish, if na only fish I wan eat today, I will say na only fish I wan eat today. If na only meat, I will not na only meat. Then I know wetin I dey eat. Can you say? Now wow, you know tell us the secret. You know the fact. You medicine after how many children? Now so this is my secret. So if you want to know how I take dey eat, follow me up on my YouTube channel so that you sef you go see and say you go remain the same. You no go dey change. Today, na rice and stew I wan eat due to the weather too. Because the weather need hot something. So you see, another baby already bless. But as you see, so na only more they eat am because my children they don't eat a baby. I don't know. They don't like all this dry fish. But me now, as in Nigeria, I like them well. Nice. Okay. So I'm going to use plantain the top. If you go, when I try and start talking, so you go like her. Not so you go know the taste of what you eat. You go say not true. You go might see the taste some cooking without mixture. You understand? Now this one is stew. I dey feel am. I dey get the ebeware. It dey enter my brain well because delicious na ebeware to cook am. It is I put pomoyos now. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna. The thing go mix together. The taste. I not get the real taste. Just try like this. Cook am with only fish. Any type of fish you like, who you know say they eat. You know everybody they eat the same fish. Some people they like what they call this fish, scobian, headless, sese. Depends on the fish what you like. Not miss anything, Jonah. Just let them based on fish. Nice. Okay. This is now Africa food. Wow. Mm. The big one, you know, 1 year and so. One thing one also like for fish, I be bone. I not like you. You know they agree. I they pick everything they come out. If I want it, you see, I'm just free now. I say free, then I saw I go it. Buono. In my next video, when I go see the next thing, I will see it. If they do like that every time, you go and say your skin go to shine. But they normal. You don't have based on stew. Now eat. Like my fried plantain. One I feel like to eat. I know they eat 40 hours. 40 hours, me say starting from 12. At least from 12 to 1, I don't take my meal be that. If it pass that time, not be afternoon food again. That evening food. You understand? So if you want me you get time to take digest the food, eat time with the normal hour. Then you go enjoy. The baby are sweet too. As I said before, I know they turn like that or they peel all the more they come out. Why I not fair peel and come out before I cook them? Everything will just scatter. You know say baby then so it be. If you open now, once you do open now, if you put on pot, you know see again. So let's say you grind out with machine. So I make an all move on for the stick. The stick and everything I start to cook them together. But before they eat them, I will come remove everything. If not time. The bone will go one side. So no see, just clean like this. Start to do it my day. Wow. Sweet. So my next video, step by step, I will show you on Saturday eat my food. Both evening food though. I will show you what I eat in the evening. Then I will show you what I take for breakfast. What you gonna do like that? You go like yourself. So sweet. Yeah. So I'm not gonna pray if I start. Got the food. And the food fine, too sweet. I know say God bless the food already. God will give me time to prepare the food. He don't bless already before the food come out of the airport. So the food is blessed already. In Jesus' name. Nice. Okay. Now I take some water. So if you eat, you just feel drink water quick. You don't feel your belly with that. You eat small, you eat first. Before you drink water, that water come. You can't be shandy the one you don't eat already. Yes. You make her go down. Then you continue your food. Right now, you drink water, you drink water. And so water for your belly down. The next thing, you will be hungry later. Okay. So, as you can see, I have to eat my food though. Rice and stew based on the berry. This dry fish now. The stick, nothing. Why not remove? I need to scrape and well. Okay. In my next video, if I want to eat Italian food, do I take it? I'm going to let you know. For some of now, we like Italian food, you know. Ah, buono. Sweet. So, as you can see, I'm okay. Try to eat. See you on my next video. Join me in eating. Join me in on this video so that you know how I keep myself fit and how I eat my food. See you on my next video. One love from Pretty Melissa. Love you all.